Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Florida. I used to say Orlando, Orange County, but I'm going to stop doing that. A Florida-based disability law firm. So what do you need to know about this at this point? So question 13 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions is the part-time versus full-time trick question. All right, here's how it always comes this way. So you're currently working a part-time job. That's admirable. That's wonderful. So says the judge. The claimant goes, yeah, thanks. I feel super. That's duper, you know? And then you're sitting there, the attorney, me, I'm sitting there going, here we go. Here we go. The roller coaster when you get to the very top and it's about to just fly over the, precipice of that wonderful little roller coaster. That's where you're at. That's what's about to happen now. Okay, let's get her down. Hold the beer. All right. If you can work part-time, the follow-up question is always, Mr. Smith, why don't you think you could work full-time? Full-time. If you're working part-time, you might be able to earn SGA. Well, how much are you earning per month? Well, how much do you think you could work full-time? The reason they're asking that is that if you could potentially work full-time and you say it, you're going to get denied. You can work full-time. You can work SGA, right? That's it. Bottom line. You can work a current job. That's element 4. You can work at jobs similar to yours full-time. Element 5 of the 5-step sequential process. Boom. You're not disabled. So you work part-time. Why can't you just work a few more hours over your 20 hours? Well, why not? You better have a good reason. You better have a great reason. It can't be, well, I'm trying to use the benefits, and if I go over that, the government's going to give me a crappy insurance system. No, it's got to be specific to your mental or physical impairments and how you're limited. Okay? And if you're right at 20 hours, guess what? It's going to call into question quite heavily why you can't just go into 23 hours, 30 hours, whatever. So make sure you have a good answer for how your impairments limit your ability to do that. And what would be great is if you could back it up with a doctor or a vocational rehab facility that says this person cannot work more than this many hours. And then stick with it because they're the experts. They're going to know. You go above it, you'll go crazy, all of a sudden you're getting Baker acted. All right. We're now on to question 14, but if you have any questions or want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call. Also, on the 9th of April 2020, you can call me at 407-279-1754, 8 p.m., the 9th, and I will run questions with you. It's going to be a prototype night. I have no idea how it's going to go. I'm going to beat the hell out of you guys verbally, and basically we're going to do it live. So when you call in, don't use your real name. That way you'll be trained to go ahead and be prepared for your upcoming Social Security Disability Administrative Law Judge hearing for your SSI, SSDI benefits. Yay. Cool. Let's go on to question 15. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. And yes, my brain actually thinks faster than this. That's why I have to talk at this speed, because otherwise it will take forever to get through 50 of these questions. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.